Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to do the backup in offline and online in the cloud in Genius POS. Okay, first go to the Genius POS apps and then go to the setting, scroll under the bottom and then select on the backup and archive. Then click on backup database. Once backup, select to the latest date and click function, click email and send it to your own email. Then second, go to the Safari, log into your cloud account and then click on the branch, select on your branch and click manage. Scroll under the bottom, you'll see there's a request backup. Then you click here, automatic, your Genius POS app will upload the backup. And you choose here, backup complete. And you also can download backup and restore it to your iPad. That's all for today, thank you. 我是阿 Seng， 找 POS System， 找阿 Seng。